Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur Fegocta has submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister and Union Education Minister for implementing national policy of the 7th University Grants Commission pay in Manipur. Further, the association has also requested to direct the state government to implement the 7th UGC pay and help in transforming the collegiate education in Manipur. It stated that the negligence of the state government, despite putting forth request letters on the issue, shows the act of discriminating and demoralizing the government college teachers in Manipur. It may be mentioned that Fegocta had requested to direct the state government to implement the 7th UGC pay as it is a national policy and it will help in transforming the collegiate education in Manipur. However, after the approval given by the 4th Cabinet since 2019 and despite the order of 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018 on the 3rd of July 2021, the 7th UGC Pay is still not implemented in Manipur. Without hesitations, the state governments including Arunachal Pradesh and Assam implemented 7th UGC Pay in 2018. 7th pay of the other employees of Manipur government was implemented in 2019. Fegocta appealed the concerned authorities and stakeholders to act for ensuring the implementation of national policy of 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018 in Manipur. It further stated that if the government fails to issue 7th UGC pay slips by 27th of November 2021, the college teachers will go ahead as announced by Fegocta, and added that the teachers should not be blamed if there is disturbance in academic activities after the 27th of November 2021 in the colleges.